In this video, I am going to teach you a unique way to choose the best Clickbank product to promote in 2020. Now, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then please smash the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get my future videos. Don't forget to add this video to your favorites, give me a thumbs up, hit the like button, share this video with your followers. I'm 100% sure they will love this video and they will get a lot of value. So let's dive into this video. As you can see from my YouTube channel here, I am uploading videos to help um, people make money online. And my videos have took some of my students from multiple 5 and 6 figures. Okay. And some of my students have also generated multiple 6 figures. So if you want to learn how to make money on Clickbank as an affiliate, promote other people's products without having to create any website, then make sure you watch my videos. There are so many great videos and great tutorials on my YouTube channel. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn how to create a Clickbank 6-figure business or an affiliate 6-figure business from scratch, then I have some part series videos as well that you could see here. Okay, you could see the Clickbank training video part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Make sure you watch these videos in order from part 1, where I take you by hands and show you step by step how you could create a successful long-term Clickbank business and earn multiple 5 and 6 figures from home. Okay, so let's just dive into our video, how to choose the best Clickbank product to promote in 2020. As you know, before driving any kind of traffic, it is very, very important that you choose the right product in the right niche. If you don't have the right product and neither you have chosen the right niche, you are not going to make any kind of money. Okay, so I'm on a website called cbengine.com. It's absolutely free, but yes, you could get a paid version for it, but you don't need it. So I'm on CB Engine, and you could come here on the left hand side, all right, and click on any kind of section to see the product. So you could go to CB New Products, CB Best Gains, CB Top Gravity, CB Insider, CB Reviews, etc. I have clicked on CB New Products, all right. Now, when you look at the CB New Products, you're going to find some products down here that was just launched recently. Doesn't have any kind of competition, but got a very good gravity. You know what does that mean? That means you could tap into this product to start promoting it, and you could start making some insane amounts of commissions. Okay, the good part about this is when you choose a brand new product, focusing on the title, you could also drive some free traffic. So look at this. Okay, if I come to this product, look, the first product is Stop Forget All About Manifestation, etc. It's got a 75% commission rate, and look at the gravity, 42.92%, which is great, my friend. And look at this. No one is probably promoting this at this moment. It's not in the crowd. You could jump into this, start promoting it, and guess what? You're going to make so much good amount of money. Now, how can you focus on this? So instead of doing paid traffic, what you could do is you could start utilizing free traffic. Okay, so the first and best free traffic source, in my opinion, is YouTube. Now remember, YouTube is owned by Google. All right, Google loves YouTube. When you create a YouTube video, instantly, if you're focusing on this title down here, Google is gonna give you instant ranking on their search engine, and you're gonna rank on YouTube as well. And you could drive so much traffic doing this, just because this is a brand new product and not so many people are promoting. Okay, so I highly recommend you choose these kind of products. So look at this. This has got the 42.92. Look at this one. This is another one, a kidney disease solution. All right, 38.99. And then you got some other ones as well. So this is a very, very good way for you to start making easy $100 plus per day promoting Clickbank products. Okay, and you could even do this with free traffic because it's out of the crowd. So let me just copy this and let me go to Google and let me see what's going on here. All right, I'm going to go to google.com. I'm going to type it here. Okay, so look at this. This is a brand new product and someone has already tapped into this product by creating a YouTube video, and he's ranking on the first page. You see, when people want to buy a product, most people, what they do is they would go to Google or YouTube, type that product name to find out what it's all about. Okay, is it real? Is it a scam? Is it out of date, etc.? Now, if you create a quick YouTube video regarding this product, okay, you could rank on the first page of YouTube or Google for this product. So look at this. These are two people I'm seeing right down here who created a video regarding this, and they are already ranking on page 1 for Google. All right. So this is very, very powerful. Now you're probably asking, wait, what shall I record about? What do I say in my videos? It's very simple. There's option 1, which is the best option, which I recommend, is purchasing this product. Go through the product and take some bits and pieces out, put it into your own words, okay, and show people what they're going to get when they purchase this product. That's one way of doing it. Second way of doing it is that you could copy the title of this video, go here to the Clickbank marketplace, all right, and there you go. They're the product. This is the product, okay. You could go to the JV page and see if they are giving any kind of video content that you could reuse as a license, right? Yeah, if they are, you could use those videos to upload on YouTube and get some instant ranking and start driving some free traffic to this video and start making some very, very good sale. Okay, so it's very, very easy, very, very simple. You just have to think outside the box. Okay, now the second way of driving free traffic is to this product is by creating a website. Okay, it's very easy. You could create a website using Wix.com, but I highly recommend you create a website using sites.google.com. Okay, using Google, you could create a brand new free site around this product. Okay, so the website name is going to be this product, the website title is going to be this product, the description is going to be all about this product, and the content and the video is going to be all about this product. Guess what? Google loves their product. So YouTube is owned by Google. This website builder is owned by Google. Guess what Google is going to do? Google is going to give you some instant ranking, especially for a product like this, for a keyword like this, where there's no competition and it is a brand new product that was just launched on Clickbank. Okay. If you could remember, in one of my previous videos, I have taught you step by step. If you go to my YouTube channel, Clickbank Success, okay? If you go to my YouTube channel, Clickbank Success, you're going to see in one of the tutorials, I have taught everything on how to create this free site using sites.google.com. Okay, so make sure you watch it and make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and clicking the bell as well, so you get my future videos. Don't forget to do that. All right, so you could create a free site like from here, focusing on this product here, okay, keyword, and you're going to get instant ranking on Google. You're going to start getting some free traffic, and guess what's going to happen? People are going to start buying your product. In one of my videos, I taught you how to do this, and you could see that I created a website called the Keto Diet, okay, and I created this couple of weeks ago, and I have started to get some traffic. As you can see here, look at this, 5 unique visitors. I haven't generated any sales yet, but hopefully sales will be coming soon once the traffic starts building up. So look at this, I'm starting to get some traffic and attraction to my website. Okay, and I guess, okay, let me just go here and let me see if okay, so I could see that. Okay, so I'm getting some attraction, but I can't see whether this traffic is coming from the search engine or it is direct traffic. Okay, direct traffic to one of the affiliate links that I'm promoting using another free traffic source. But by the way, once you create these kind of sites, okay, if it's a very good site and it's got a very low competition, you're going to start receiving some ranking and you're going to start receiving some traffic. Okay, so this is a great way to do this, especially for people who has a lot of spare time sitting around. Just go here, click on the blank section, all right, and you could create a quick Clickbank mini website focusing on this product with this keyword, and guess what, you're going to get onto Google very, very quickly, and you're going to start getting some instant rankings. Okay, so that's all for now. This was all about how to choose the best Clickbank product to promote in 2020 and start driving some free traffic. If you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Clickbank Success, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe red button, clicking the notification bell as well, so you get my future videos. Also, don't forget, if you want to learn how to become a successful multiple 6 and 7 figure earner, then below this video in the description you're going to find a website link. Click on that blue link, okay, and you're going to come to a page where you will able to get this you will able to learn exactly step by step how to become a super affiliate, traffic expert, and earn multiple 5 and 6 figures from the comfort of your home. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description below this video. Make sure you check that out. Don't forget to do that. Okay, and make sure if you want to learn more about Clickbank, how to create a successful Clickbank business from scratch, then come to this video here. It's a part 1 video. I will have this in my comment section as well, the link. After you finish watching the video, make sure you click this link and start watching this video, because well, you're gonna, by the time you get to or complete all the part series video, you're gonna have a successful affiliate Clickbank business that for a long-term success, and you will know exactly what to do on how to promote Clickbank products and how to start driving some sales. Okay, and by the way, the method that I just spoke about right now with free traffic using YouTube videos and Google sites, this is not just with Clickbank. You could do this with any network. Okay, so any product, any network, if they're launching a brand new product, you could tap into it before everyone else by creating a quick YouTube video and creating a free website using sites.google.com, so you could get instant ranking and start driving a lot of free traffic when people start doing their research on the product. Okay, so once again, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully I will see you in the next video.